This week at Apple, we got some pretty good and bad news, depending on which way you look at it. The new iPhones this year are going to support the Apple Pencil. What is up, guys? My name is Benji from Ben Tech, and welcome back to another episode of This Week at Apple. So in today's episode, we have quite a few things to talk about, but before we get into it, I want to quickly announce that I have released some new merch on the merch store, and this is actually merch that some of you Apple fanboys and some of you other like anti-Samsung people will actually like. It's a t-shirt based around the ingenious ad that Samsung released a couple of days ago. I think it's a couple of weeks ago now. I don't know. If you guys want it, the link is in the description. It's on a limited run, so I'll probably run it for about a month. So make sure you cop yourself some of this merch before it goes. So then you can just go to your local Samsung fanboys and show them the shirt and be like, this is what I think about your S Pen. Anyway, let's get on with the episode. So the first story we have today is about air power. And basically, it's coming. According to a couple of sources, it has leaked that the air power charging mat, yes, the Apple product that was announced a year ago, almost a year ago, like a couple weeks, it'll be a year. And it's finally happening, and it's going to be released alongside this year's new iPhone. So in September, my prediction is September 10th for the event, but that's a topic for a different video. So this is going to be awesome. And also another awesome thing about air power is it's not going to cost $200, which is what everyone thought it would. It's actually going to cost $150, so it's a lot more affordable, and I honestly think this price point is okay. I would have preferred it being $99, but it's Apple, so we can only ask so much of them. But yeah, it's great that the price isn't going to be as high as everyone thought. It's going to be more affordable. I probably won't be buying one because I only have an iPhone that wirelessly charges. So I don't have an Apple Watch or the AirPods charging case. I mean, I might get that, but yeah, AirPower happening September. Apple, please, this time don't delay again, because we're sick and tired of delays. Also, we're not even hyped up about AirPower anymore. Kind of like what happened with the HomePod, except worse, like 10 times worse. Second piece of news is actually pretty exciting. Not very exciting for Elon Musk, but exciting for all of us Apple enthusiasts, even non-Apple enthusiasts, people who like tech cars and cool cars and stuff, electric cars, whatever. The Apple Car is actually happening. Finally, after all of this speculation, it seems to actually be happening. It's not been 100% confirmed by Apple yet, but a very reliable Apple analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, our boy Ming, has actually said that the Apple Car will be coming as soon as 2023. Now, this is just a prediction. It may happen a couple years after that, but it's great to see that Apple actually want to compete against Tesla. I'm really interested to see how it's going to go, because Tesla is way ahead of the game. I hope Apple comes out with a cool car. And then who's next? Samsung? Google? No, Google, please don't. You're gonna put a notch on that car? No, thank you. Like, just imagine a windscreen with a notch. And then the third piece of news for this week is regarding the new iPhones that are coming out in September, and some of the specs have actually leaked, which is great. So the two OLED models that are coming out this year will actually have a storage option of 512 gigabytes. Now, I'm not really sure who's going to use 512. I have 256 on my iPhone 10, and I haven't even filled up a quarter of it, which is crazy. But for all of you who wanted a 512 gigabyte iPhone, there's an option now. Like, why not just buy iCloud storage? 512 gigabytes on an iPhone, insane, crazy, I know, it's been done before, but not officially, and yeah, it's gonna be cool to see how people are gonna, you know, freak out over that. I bet millions of people will buy that. Probably not. And it's probably gonna cost like an extraordinary amount of money, especially for the 10 Plus, which will start at $1,000. It'll probably go up to like 1,500 for the 512 gigabyte option. But yeah, anyway, moving on. So the two OLED models will also have 4 GB of RAM each. The LCD model, the budget iPhone, the iPhone 9, whatever we're gonna call it, that is actually getting 3 GB of RAM instead of 4. So it will have a little bit less RAM, but to be honest, iOS manages that RAM pretty well. And having 3 GB of RAM in the OLED iPhones is gonna be pretty good. I can't wait to see how those will perform against the competitors like the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the OnePlus 6, because they have like extraordinary amounts of RAM. Like 8 GB of RAM on the OnePlus 6 is crazy. And the last thing that has leaked is something that I'm not really that I'm actually kind of against. Yeah, Apple is adding Apple Pencil support to this year's iPhones as well. Like, this is an Apple Pencil. It's as big as a pencil, a normal pencil. Are you gonna carry this around in your pocket alongside your iPhone? I mean, it would make sense if they made a smaller stylus, but still, like, I don't need a pen on my phone, Apple. Like, why? What are you doing? Seriously, I don't want a pen. Keep your pens. They're fine on iPads, but on iPhones they make absolutely no sense. The screen is still too small, even if it's an iPhone 10 Plus. Actually, I'll link up in the cards a video that my friend Viper did. He actually is against it as well, mainly because Apple doesn't really support bigger displays, which I agree with, and like adding Apple Pencil support. Why, Apple? Like, seriously? Are you serious? Yes, people are saying that it's not gonna harm anything, but like, seriously, Apple, what are you doing? Don't add Apple Pencil support. Nobody needs it. Nobody wants it. Probably one person wants it, which is not me. So, yeah, you could keep your Apple Pencil support. We don't want it. We like them on the iPad, but why are you going against Steve Jobs' will? Like, who needs a stylus?
Who wants a stylus? Yuck.
That was the show, guys. If you did enjoy it, let me know by smashing that like button down below. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys are excited for. Are you excited for these new iPhones that are coming out in September? Will you be buying one? If not, let me know why in the comment section below. And of course, if you're new around here and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe by smashing that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to turn your notifications on, as I do upload videos once, well, no, I upload videos more than once a week, but I upload videos every single week, so make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on, as I also do live stream every Saturday, and I also do live stream on Twitch now, so make sure you follow me on Twitch as well. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. My name is Benji, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video.